Hi, and welcome once again to Russian Survival Guide. I'm Maya Krivchenia. Today, I would like to share with you some tips for getting hotels here in Russia. First, let's talk about Moscow. Moscow is a big business center here in Russia. And if you want to stay at a hotel in Moscow, it's best to do it on the weekend if you're looking to save a little bit of money. From Friday to Monday, the hotels are free of businessmen and so are pretty empty and a better deal for the tourist. During the week, however, they're quite full up with business people and much more expensive. So if you're looking to save $1, it's better to do it on the weekend in Moscow. Now, of course, we live here in St. Petersburg, and St. Petersburg works a little bit differently. In St. Petersburg, during the summer, we have a wonderful period called white nights, when it doesn't really get very dark in the evenings. However, this is the time of high tourist season. In May and July, it's much cheaper than in June, which is the most expensive time of the year to come. Now, of course, if you're looking for a time when there are fewer tourists and less people in front of you at the museum or less lines to stand in, it's much better to come either in the fall or perhaps early spring. And if you really like snow and cold weather, you could always come in the winter.